I'm Karen, this is my mother, Kate, and today we're making mince pies. We're making the recipe from our upcoming book, Elegant British Afternoon Teas. This is a recipe we make every year for mince meat, and we make it a month ahead with time to mature, and then today, my favorite day of December, baking the mince pies.
There's no meat in here. There's quite a bit of fruit, raisins, sultanas, which are white raisins, candied cherries, walnuts, brandy if you like it. You can make it without.
We like it.
This is puff pastry, which I use all the time now.
Trader Joe's now makes an all butter puff pastry, which we love.
This takes quite a little while to just get nice and thin. Okay, so this now has been rolled out enough for 6 of my little plates. And I just go around very simply. Like that. 1.
6-inch diameter circle. Need a 12 by 18 rolled out sheet of puff pastry for 6 circles.
Now, shall we do this together, Karen? There's the greased tin ready to go. And then I tip this upside down because a little bit of flour on there, and I like it this way, like that. And I tuck it
Floured on the inside.
Just push it well down.
How's that look?
There.
All right.
That's ready to go.
Now we fill them generously.
So that was 1 dessert spoon. And I think it's probably going to take close to 2, just about 2 dessert spoons. I think that's good. That's good. Because they're nice and deep. I like to make a good deep mince pie because you get the full flavor.
Nobody wants to be cheated, they're filling. Now we need to roll out another sheet of puff pastry to make the little lids to go on top. And the little lids are smaller than the base. So
That's a 2-inch cutter, isn't it?
2-inch cutter. Every so often we dip that cutter in a bit of flour over here because that makes it not stick so much, and you get a nice lid there.
So they're all filled now with mincemeat, and what I like to do is just brush with egg wash, which is egg yolk and a little milk. And then I also do the top, both sides. Also gives a nice kind of taste to the top to have it with egg.
And a nice sheen.
Very much a sheen on the top, yes. Especially that.
You want the top to stick to the bottom, so you have to brush both sides that are sticking together to make sure it really sticks when it's cut.
So now the lids are on all of them, and we're just going to tuck the sides, push the sides down a little bit to make sure that the lids are stuck to the sides. These are good. These are just in case any of the mincemeat tries to escape.
Don't want any runaways.
Here's the final stage before it goes in the oven. Is a couple of snips, and this makes it look nice, but also it lets the steam come out. So now these are going to go in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit, and we'll start with 15 minutes, and then keep an eye on them. They may take as many as 25, but you want to have it crispy and golden, but not too dark.
All right, and we'll have a cup of tea while they bake.
Good idea.
It's been 15 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, they sound good. They're sizzling and they look perfect. So we'll bring these out. Oh, perfect. A little bit bubbling over, but that's okay. They do that. And what's important is to get them out of the pan while they're still warm.
There, perfect. That's just how it should be. And it is nice and solid to hold the mincemeat. But if you leave it in the pan until they get cold, then they stick to the pan. Those are exactly how they should be. That's very rewarding, and they smell so good. Well, Karen, we've been waiting all year for this. Why don't we go ahead and try them? They look just right. Let's see how they taste. Taking my little top off here.
Crunchy on the outside, and the smell is amazing. Soft inside with those rich flavors. It tastes like Christmas.
Absolutely, and the fruit, you can taste the very strong, wonderful fruit flavor, and
the brandy. Taste the
a
brandy.
little bit of brandy, and the apples. I like the apples. Give it a little tart taste.
Thank you for coming to our first social media video. We're going to put the recipe for the mincemeat and the mince pies in our upcoming book, Elegant British Afternoon Teas. Cheers.
Bye now.
Happy Christmas.